Hello, welcome back. I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we are
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
Today, we're getting a custom mattress for our RV. Our RV mattress just is done. This is the mattress that came with the RV. At first we thought it was going to be fine, but then we started to get uncomfortable on it, and this is why. You look at this side, there's a big crease and an indentation, and the same on this side, just the opposite direction. So we had high hopes that we got the only RV mattress that was good, and we were mistaken.
Well, we just came in and met Crystal at Texas Mattress Makers, and she's agreed to tell us about the mattress and help us to find the mattress that's right for us. So, Crystal, would you mind telling us about the mattresses you have?
Sure.
And why they're good for RVs?
Absolutely. So we do different types of mattresses for RVs, and not every RV is the same, so they're custom mattresses. So, you know, we would ask a couple of questions. You know, how do you like to sleep? Do you like something firm, soft? How often are you sleeping in your mattress? You know, and then we would just go and show you the different types of mattresses. So if you have a custom size, you know, what size are you looking for?
Okay, right. Yes, I have those measurements with me, so we'll be making sure. And I know their width is 70 inches. So should we get 70 inches wide, or should we get something a little bit smaller to make it easier to get the sheets on and off? And
yeah, it's really up to you. You know, if you want it, it depends on how tight it is now. If it's exactly 70 inches, if you want to measure the current mattress that you have in there now, that works for a lot of customers. If you want a little bit of wiggle room to get those sheets, you know, and even customize it even more, then you could take half an inch off of each size, you know, which would be 69 inches.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Like the room to put on those sheets.
Yeah, absolutely. And then, you know, a lot of people don't know this, but we also ask about the height restriction. You know, I mean, you've got the length and you've got the width, but do you have a height restriction?
Oh yeah, we have a little shelf on each side.
Yep. So sometimes you can only do a 7-inch mattress, or sometimes you can do a 10-inch mattress. So if it's a 10-inch mattress, you can use a coil with some type of foam, you know, either a firm foam or a soft foam. And if you can only do 7 inches, 6 inches, then we have different types of foams that we can put together to make that happen. So.
And is this company locally owned?
Yes, we are in Houston, Texas. We make all of our mattresses downtown. We've got 4 locations right now. Hopefully soon opening another location. So yeah, everything that we purchase, all the materials that we use in our mattresses are sourced from the USA. You know, hopefully most of them from Texas, but you know, in the US. So yeah.
Okay. So what are your most popular mattresses for RVs?
For RVs, we have 2 popular mattresses. This is a medium soft mattress. This is called our Berlin. Really nice mattress. It's a 10-inch mattress. It has a pocketed coil in the mattress, and then it's got an 1.5 inch soft foam on top of that. So for side sleepers, you know, if you're sleeping in it a lot and you sleep on your side, you want a little bit of cushion for your shoulder and your hip. So this would be the mattress that we would, you know, go first and offer this. You know, if you can go 10 inches, this would be the mattress for that. And then over here we have what we call a medium firm mattress, which is the same. It's got the pocketed coil in it, and then it's got an inch of a firm foam on top.
Okay.
So, you know, for back sleepers, stomach sleepers, this would be that mattress. And then over here we've got, you know, this is an all foam mattress. It's a 7-inch foam mattress. And, you know, it's got a few inches of support foam, and then very comfortable foam, soft foam on top of that too. But we have all types of different foams, so we can customize. You know, if you like it firmer, we can make it firmer. If you like it softer, we can make it softer.
And this one says bamboo, so it's made with bamboo?
Yes, it's got bamboo fabric on top of that.
On top, so the fabric that we're seeing here is bamboo.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so Scott is going to try out the Berlin mattress, the first one we looked at.
I'm a side sleeper, so she suggested this mattress for side sleepers. So I definitely am from one side to the other all night. So I'll give it a shot, see what happens. Oh.
So when you're
I should probably lay on my side while I'm trying it
should
out,
lay on
right?
your side, absolutely.
If you're a side sleeper.
Yeah, when you're laying on your side and you're trying a mattress out, you want to focus on your hip and your shoulder and any pressure that you may be feeling. Definitely don't want to feel any pressure on those pressure points. And you also want to feel supported in between your hip and your shoulder.
What time do y'all close? I might take a nap.
Ed, take a nap if that's how we get you to get a mattress. Sometimes you have to give it a little bit of time. Sometimes you can feel it instantly.
Yeah. I like this one.
So. Do you want to try, just for contrast, try the medium firm mattress over here? And
Okay.
see.
Let me get this.
So remember, when you sleep on your side, you want to definitely be
Try it
mindful
out.
of any pressure on your hip or your shoulder.
I like this one too.
Okay. Which one do you like better?
I think the last one.
So all mattresses in the beginning, you know, these are broken in mattresses already, so they will start out between 10 and 20% firmer than what you try in the showroom floor.
Oh, okay.
So this is a medium firm. It will be firmer in the beginning too.
Okay. Huh. All right.
So flip a coin, or since you like both now.
We'll get one for 1 week and one for the other week.
Yeah, okay, you can do
No.
that.
We do have an extra bedroom.
Yeah.
So if you like both of them, you know, I would definitely say you want to just feel comfort, you know, cushion. A lot of people think that the softer they go, you know, they don't want to go too soft because they're going to sink in, and that's not necessarily the case. You know, soft is for your comfort. The material that we use in our mattresses is good quality material, so you just want comfort. You want comfort and support. You have the support of the pocketed coil underneath, and then the foam on top of it is for comfort. It's not going to wear in any faster than the firm foam would.
Okay. Yeah, I definitely think this one then, for me anyway.
All right?
All right. Well, we decided on the Berlin mattress. First of all, I like the name because I lived in Berlin. And then the comfort is just outstanding for side sleepers. And so Crystal is going to tell us about the extended warranty and about how it all works.
Okay, so what you're getting the Berlin. Has a 1-year warranty. It's definitely going to last longer than that. The coil is going to outlast us all on this room, so there's no worries on that. This will go over some of the warranty information, what it does cover and what it doesn't cover. If you can get, I know it's hard, you know, with a custom size mattress, but if you can get a mattress protector to put on that, it will extend the lifetime of the mattress. So as I told you before, it will be about 15 to 20% firmer in the beginning. Just give it about 30 nights average sleeping, you know, to break that in, to feel how it does in the showroom. And this is our 90-night comfort. On custom mattresses, because it is a custom size, there are no refunds, but if it comes too soft, we can definitely do something to firm it up, or if it's too firm, we can definitely help you out to make that a little bit softer. So, and if you have any questions, you can just give me a call.
All right, great.
All right. Oh, and also just wanted to let you know, right now our delivery time, it's up to 10 days. You know, we
Okay.
make the mattresses to order. We don't keep anything in stock, you know, so it's up to 10 days, but you can either pick it up here or we can deliver it to you, free delivery on this mattress.
Okay, that's
All right.
great. Free delivery.
Yeah.
And is that all the time, or sometimes there's
Well,
a charge?
Yeah, well, we run certain specials,
Okay.
and right now with the promotion that we have now, it's includes free delivery.
So the prices and the delivery charge are subject to change with whatever specials
That
are
is
going
correct.
on.
That is correct.
Okay, and where are your other locations?
We have a location. Our main location is Navigation in Lockwood. That's where our factory location is. And then we have a Katy location. This is our location in the Woodlands, and we have a Baybrook location.
Great, very convenient if you're in the
Yeah.
Houston area.
Absolutely. We're opening up another location very soon in Kingwood too. So
Okay.
yeah.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
And here's the mattress installed in the 397TH. Fits pretty well. Like I said earlier, we had it cut to 69 inches side to side. That gives us just a little bit of room between the two shelves at the head of the bed.
Well, now the bed is made, and you can see how comfortable it is, I guess. If you can tell, it's nice and just squishy enough and just firm enough. And we've had it for 2 weeks now and love it. What do you think?
I love it too. I haven't been tossing and turning as much as I did before, and so definitely a great investment. If you guys are in the Houston or even just in Texas in general, I'd highly recommend going to check this company out. Like they said earlier, it's about up to a 10-day turnaround. So even if you're only in for one stay at a campground, you can do that easily and get a new mattress and have it plunked down. They deliver it and they take away your old one too. So that was a plus.
I wonder what they do with the old one.
Who cares? All right, well, if you're still here, thanks for sticking around to the end. We'll see you next time on
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Good night, y'all.
It's going in.
Yeah.